Got some new changes in geometry in the steering. Always loved trying to go as fast as possible in the rocks, because there's not that many places where you can really make time up on the rest of the crowd. Everybody's going about the same speed through the rocks. Everybody's going about the same speed up the rocks. So really, what are you left with? Are you going to go faster in the desert than everybody else, or are you going to be more consistent, or are you going to descend faster than everybody else in the rocks? Because where does the average speed of this race come from? And 2 years ago, this race actually got into the 30-mile-an-hour average for the first time. We got out of the 20s finally. So the average speed in this race is what's really interesting, because if you take the amount of mileage that you're in the rocks and see what that equates to in the overall, that's where this is going to be a race of attrition, who can hold the best average speed for the day.